What's a superfood for me might be inflammatory for you. Hi, I'm Shreya, a research assistant at ASU and the founder of Arrow. We are building the world's first dietary intelligence platform where we have moved past the good and bad foods to focus on what's good for you. The problem: consumers today face information overload and confusion while grocery shopping. Not everyone are chemists to understand the chemical composition of the food that you eat. People have diverse dietary needs. And on the other hand, new products and alternatives constantly flood the market. Because of this, the users make uninformed and potentially harmful choices. So, we have built a personalized food intelligence platform where you search for a food product and get an actionable decision based on a unique arrow score. We don't tell you what's good or bad, we tell you what's right for you. Current food scanners read the fine print and filter them for you, but they give a generic solution which follows one size fits all model. Let me be straight with you. We are not doing that. Our personalized decision engine is backed by the research from NIH. We don't stop at a single decision. Meet our personalized decision engine. Search a product, get an actionable decision, and we don't just score the food, we also score the fit of the product. The Arrow score is essentially the FICO score for your diet. It's built on three components. First, the food product score. Second, personal alignment. And third, behavioral consistency. We learn from your behavior what you buy, what you avoid, and what matters to you matters to us. It's not just about eating healthy, it's about eating what's right for you consistently. When better options exist, Arrow proactively recommends alternatives that actually match your biology. Coming to the architecture, Arrow uses PostgreSQL Knowledge Graph as persistent world memory for food science and a per user context layer storing the allergies, sensitivities, and health goals and stuff. Every query traverses both layers through a deterministic ingredient first scoring engine and then position weighted and fully explainable zero hallucination model. So, this proves that the hardest context problems are solved by structured memory and not at all by bigger prompt windows. Let's move on to the demo. Hi. So first I'm gonna go and edit my preferences as a user. I have selected, okay. So there are different diet types: vegan, vegetarian, paleo, Mediterranean stuff, health goals, and ingredients that I dislike. After this, I'm gonna go to discover and I'm gonna just search KitKat. So the verdict says avoid this with zero score, and it says how it does not fit me in any way. And there is a small summary of why this item is very bad for me. And it also provides better alternatives in the same area, that is snacks. So, so now after looking at this, I can make a decision to go with this, which is stored in the memory. And here you get to see the evaluation scores for my product, which in turn affects my arrow score in the end. So yeah, in the arrow score, all the changes, all the choices that I've made in the previous recent scans while buying comes up here and it adds up to the overall score. That is the arrow score, which the users would want to keep it high. And I'm gonna go product. Yep. Yep. So Monster Energy is now not that good for you. So there is a caution in the verdict and it says why it doesn't fit. Thank you.